everyone, I am Reshma Rajkumar Bankar from SCPM's College of Engineering, Maigaon, Baramati. Our project topic is Perception of Traffic Light with Image Processing and Machine Learning. Our project guide is Professor G.B. Chavan sir. In our project, we are going to detect and giving the status of traffic light from the video. It is real-time project, helpful for autonomous system as well as driver assistance system. In our project, we give video as input to our system.
Hello everyone, I am Kadam Rajni. I am going to explain dataset and pre-processing. First of all, we can see what is dataset. Our dataset is consist of various images. We store images for our dataset. Dataset is created using various images of different traffic situation, and without traffic light, these two situations are we see in our images. Then we pre-process on these images. There are various types of pre-processing, splitting data into training and testing data. In this training data set is 80% and testing data set is 20%. By using this data, we build model.
Hello everyone, my name is Neelam Sunil Najirkar. My topic is a multi-class classification model. It is a convolutional neural network. It's a neural network model and defined with two-dimensional image. CNN classification of image take input as an image, apply and process on it, and classify under different categories. It contains feature extraction, apply polling operation during which feature is detected from image, and during classification, connected layer will act as a classifier and assign probability for the object on an image. CNN contains 3 steps: convolutional, polling, and flattening. For a recognition of traffic light, these are some false positives. There are some false positives, such as the traffic signs, pedestrian, temporary road signs, which have similar color with traffic light. These false positives are overcome using CNN. After overcoming these false positives, traffic light is correctly recognized. Output of a multi-class classification model is a status of traffic signal.
Sanjay Deshmukh. Now I'm going to explain 2 modules of my project. First module is a grayscale image conversion in video to image conversion. Input for this module is a traffic video and output for this module is in different images. Video is a combination of different images and we need to apply process on each image. So we convert video into the different images. It is done by using CV2 function of OpenCV library in our Python language. And in second module, grayscale image conversion, input for this module is an color image and output for this module is an grayscale image. Our image is an color image, means 3-dimensional image. It contains 256 shades of red, green, and blue color. It is a combination of red, green, and blue color. Most of dimensional image. So we convert color image into the grayscale image, means 3-dimensional image into the 2-dimensional image. Grayscale image is 256 shades of a gray color and total is a gray color, and each pixel in a grayscale image having only one value, such as a 0 or 1. So we convert color image into the grayscale image. It is done by using CV2 function of OpenCV library in a Python language.
Output of our system is status of traffic light. Now we are going to watch how a system runs. This is a working model. In this, video is running and we're getting the status. As here is no traffic light, so the output of our system is no signal detected until we can't detect traffic light. As there are various lights present in the video, as we detect light, so the status of that light is given as, means here is green light, so the status is left green vehicle can go and straight vehicle can stop. In this way our system works. As there are various kinds of lights, other lights are present in our video, such as these lamps or traffic vehicle lights or other road signals, as these lights having same color as traffic light, but a system can successfully recognize a traffic light from these videos and giving the output. The accuracy of our project is very high, that is about 96%. We had participated in various kinds of project competitions. We have presented a project in that competitions. In that, one of first competition is Ideas 2K19. This competition is held at Sihagar Institute of Technology and Science, Naray, at Naray on 5th October 2019. This project idea is presented in first semester. In next semester, we have presented our idea and project online at Nagpur. The competition held is ITSA TechFest 2K20. This competition is online competition, which is held at Nagpur on 2nd June 2020. We have also received certificates of these competitions. We have also successfully presented or published 2 research papers on a topic, that is perception of traffic light with image processing and machine learning. And we also got certificates of these. Friends, this project is very helpful for autonomous system as well as driver assistance system. Due to this system, vehicle can take its own decision. Means when vehicle see the light, that is traffic light, then it is able to take its own decision. Due to a system, accident rate is minimized. Also, the crime such as brake traffic light also under control. Future scope of a project is the car is stopped when it sees the red light, that is red traffic signal. Means car act according to a system. In this way, a system is very helpful. Thank you everyone for listening me.